Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Hazir Electronics. Friends, I have this electronic thermostat for refrigerator vestel and its part number is 320-16486. It's not working. When they replaced it, the refrigerator started working. When they connected back this one, it was not working. So let's check how to check what is the basic test in this. We have to remove this power relay, 16 ampere relay, compressor relay. We have to remove it and we have to test it. Most of the time this relay, this main relay, it's bad because it deals with high current, and with high current its contact damage due to sparking and due to a long use. So it have 4 points in the contact section and 2 points for coil. This 6-point relay, these 2 points for the coil. So we will remove it. That is very easy solution because this thermostat, it's connected with temperature sensor and it monitors our required temperature and the present temperature, and then it generates a command signal to the relays. So these relay control the function of compressor and the blower motors. So other electronic circuit very rarely becomes bad. So I will remove also this relay, the small relay. It have 2 relays. So I removed this relay. We have 2 relays, 1 and 2. I removed this relay, the main relay, and this relay. If we see, these 2 points for coil and these 2 are contact. Here 1 and 2 contact, and this is coil. So we can test it. First of all, we can test it using multimeter. 1.537K, and here it is open. It should be open, and this contact side, it should open in normal case. So it's open, and we can check it from the coil side. The coil is okay, and now we can check the operating voltage. It's 24 volt DC coil, this coil sign. So we have to apply 24 volt on the coil terminal, this point and this point, and this point should make and break. And this small relay is also 24 volt. So we can check it. .5, that's okay. When we apply power, so now I applied power. So this relay is okay. This relay is okay. This relay is okay. When I will remove power, it's open. So in this way we can test the relay and we can check the other 2 points. So this relay is good. Now we will connect it. So it's not making the connection. It is making sound. So this relay is bad. We connected here. So this relay is bad. We have to replace it. There are also some components. You can check it. Here are some transistors, driver transistors. Set multimeter to diode. So the driver transistor for this relay is okay, and if we check here, the driver transistor NPN transistor, the transistor is okay, and we can check the potentiometer. This point and this point, it's 47K, and then we have to connect here. It is giving 76 ohm, and when I will rotate it, it should increase linearly. It should increase linearly. So it's okay. Now we will connect the other side. So it should decrease linearly and increase linearly without jumping. See the multimeter reading. So this potentiometer is good. So we found one relay bad, one relay unserviceable in the board, so we have to replace that. Other than the other components that are looking nice, and how it works, we apply some voltage here at the red wire. This voltage go to the sensor, this temperature sensor, and it will also connect to this, and here through this resistor to this IC. This IC will also receive the required temperature, present temperature and required temperature here, and it will compare what is required, what is present. So it will decide, and it will give a signal to base of this transistor through this track, and it will connect 24 volt to the coil of this relay, and this relay will conduct from these 2 points. This line will connect it to this line, so compressor will start, and at the same time it will also generate another command here, and it will start the blower defroster. So this relay will start working. So this relay have problem. It is open, internal contact does not make to each other. It has some sound inside, so I think maybe it is damaged, so we have to replace it. So this board will okay, and it will work. Our faulty component is diagnosed. This power relay, it's okay, 16 ampere relay, it's okay, and we will install back, and we will purchase another relay and this board will work. If this video is good for you, like, subscribe and share. If you want to watch my future videos, press bell icon button. If you are interested in my videos, and you want to watch future videos, you can press bell icon button if you want. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.